Hi everyone, my name is Shirokimani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're keeping safe. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use a Russian nozzle and how to make buttercream flowers using a Russian nozzle. So with me here, I have the things I'll use. I have my already prepared buttercream. If you don't know how to make buttercream, I've done a tutorial on how to make buttercream frosting and how to cover a cake. You can just check it up on my YouTube channel. This is a flower needle. It's a flower needle. With me here, I have my Russian nozzle. I have my piping bag, which I will be using. I have my cling film, which I will also be using. And then this is just a plate that I have covered with parchment paper. So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to line a piece of parchment paper on our surface here so that we can put our buttercream inside. Put my cling film down. So now I want for my base I want this color. So what I'll just do is that I'll spread it through. So what I'll do is I will use a palette knife to just align my surface. So the next thing I'm doing is that I'll put my other color, but what I'll do is that I'll make sure that I put it in the middle part. So at this point what I want to do is just to close over just roll it over. So the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to take our piping bag and then we're going to first cut it, because you notice it's sealed. So we cut it so that we can put our nozzle inside. And then we put our Russian nozzle tip inside. We've put in our nozzle into our piping bag, and then you just put it down, and then you cut on one end so that when we put our buttercream inside, it will be able to pipe. So I'll just cut on one end, and then I'll take our buttercream and insert it into our piping nozzle. So now it's time for us to make our flowers. So what I'll do, I'll put my tip on top and then I'll squeeze in a bit. I'll squeeze into this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. So this is how my flowers look. Now what you need to do, you need to put them in the deep freezer so that they harden. So what we will do is that I will take my flowers and I'll put them in the deep freezer. With me here I have a flower needle. It's used to make flowers. So what I'll do, you can put a line of parchment paper and then you pipe your flower. But because it seems my parchment paper is over, I'll just put over a paper. And the reason why we put a parchment paper or any paper is so that it's easy once the flower has dried, it's easy for you to remove the flower. So I'll do the same thing we were doing. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining in. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video with somebody else so that they can learn how to bake. And also press the bell so that you're notified when a new video comes up. Thank you so much. Till next time, see you then.